Oh, say fam. Okay.
Hi.
En wat ga je zeggen? Ik ben Chloe.
Mama.
Zij is mama. En ik ben Chloe. Ja, jij.
Dit is Chloe. Dit is papa.
Hij is Chloe. En dit is mama. En ik ben papa.
Ja.
Serieus?
En waar zijn wij nu? En mama, wat zeggen
Sir, this is
mama?
Amir. Oh yeah.
Waar gaan we? Wala.
Madam, yung mango pala, wala mango para sa
Ay, wala.
ano lang, iced tea ni Sprite o yan po.
Ano na lang, ice cream.
Iced tea.
Next, we are here in Gaisano, Calvayo.
Kabayo.
Want deze is voor haar, voor het water, ja?
Salamat.
Manachino. Manachino.
Hi, Nak. Hi, Carly. Hello, everyone. Hi. Okay, kami. Nagkita kami dito sa McDo. Unexpected na. Ha?
A few moments later.
Hi guys, let's eat lansones. Lansones. You haven't seen. We call this.
Verkleed als bruid.
Akala niya potato daw. Akala niya. Wala.
It's like
Walang ganito sa Netherlands. Meron sa Pinoy shop. Pero mahal kaayo ya.
Mahal?
Kuan.
Pero minagrits.
Oh, grape. The steak. But maybe you won't like it. Pa, palutin lang ko pa.
each shit is more sweet.
This one is not so sweet. So there is also like this that.
Para pang-hold up.
Dapat ya.
Hindi po ka pala binani kay Aslong man.
Asro?
Dili ba
Di
mo?
siya kayo
pan. Dili pa.
Not so sweet.
Pero pag ma-over ba, sobra. Maghilap po dati yan. Yan.
Chloe nakatulog. Hi guys, andito kami sa bahay ng aking ante. Andito din sila mama. Nag-stay. Pansamantala. And dito na lang din kami kakain for dinner. Kasi birthday ni Angel and yeah, my daughter but my cousin. Chloe?
Ano ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
We can also, if you
Let's go for something.
Naglago ang dalawa, oh. Hoy, mga tiksaw kayong dalawa. Chloe, say hi.
Kumusta?
Yeah. Hoy, not so, ano. Chloe, ah? What's up here? Ah? What's up here?
Kumusta yung Chloe?
Chloe! Go to Papa. Gusto kong makan. What's up here, Chloe? To Carly? Carly, where's your mama? Hindi mo tanan.
Ice cream.
Carly. Car! Dali! Carly and Chloe. Baila. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Angel. Happy birthday, Angel.
Chloe.
Chloe. Give. Abri. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
We don't know what you like, we don't know your shoe size, we don't know your hobby, so we decide to give you some money so you can buy your own present
Okay.
that you will like it.
Okay.
You're welcome.
And let's eat.
Straks Chloe.
Let's eat well cake.
Straks voor Chloe en Chloe. Ja? Even wachten.
Excited na sa cake ko. Lalala. Nangahagad man mo. Nagduwa mo no. Susod. Ano yung okay kayo? Ano daw yung okay kayo? Excited na kami. Dali na, mga unang tag-cake. Gusto namin
Sa kuang ilawom sa
Wait ha.
dadire gibutan
Hey,
sa
gegaduld
ulas.
dames. Rustig aan.
Tapos na kami kumain. So, ayun, cake na lang. Or ano lang, dessert na lang tayo. Dessert. Kaya tapos na kumain. Ha?
For Chloe only small.
Kang Chloe, gamay lang, Bing. Kay...
Ko na lang. Share na kam. Iwaray na kan.
Oh,
Share only, share.
okay.
Okay. Attack! Oh, sige na. Lagay mo. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Angel. Happy birthday, Chloe daw. Eh? What? Ulit.
Ka akin, happy birthday. Ayaw po.
Di, sabi ako, happy birthday, sing na. So guys, it's already 10 o'clock and ngayon lang kami kakain. Uy,
This is my beef. What I call it?
that's my beef. This is chicken. This is beef bulalo. You can get it. Let's eat, everyone. Andito kami sa taas ng hotel. Dito sa Calbayog Bay Park.